If you want to uninstall apps on Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, you can swipe up on the watch face and then go to Settings. Now over here, once you open Settings, you want to scroll down and we need to find the Apps option. Over here in Apps, if you scroll down, then we can find the Apps List option, and then here we have, of course, the list of apps. And you can choose pretty much any app that you want to uninstall. You can tap on that app, and then if it's possible to uninstall it, you will find the uninstall option in here. So of course you can use that button to do so. What you can also do is you can use your phone instead. So if you open the wearable app, then you can go to Settings, and then here we should be able to find the apps option as well. And then here we have the list of apps that you have on your watch. You can just choose any app that you want to remove. And if it's possible to actually remove it, then you should be able to find the uninstall button. Some apps cannot be uninstalled, like for example here, the Google Maps app cannot be uninstalled, only disabled. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.